Hi, my name is Rose Stidham. I've been an author for 30 years, but I've been in love with Perkins Pond for almost as many. I've written a book called Diving Deep on Perkins Pond, but today I want to tell you first of all that this book is available right here at the Coastal Interpretive Center. It's my pleasure to be here today and to share just a little bit about this book. This book is a virtual tour. It's a virtual tour of an ecosystem. This is a small pond, and yet it's large in the diversity of life that we find there. The book was written over 20 years of visiting Perkins Pond from my workplace on the weekends. I would station myself in the window or hide in the bushes, and nature exploded before me. So here we are, visiting Perkins Pond, and I'd like to tell you just a little bit about one of the stories in my book, the deer and her 3 babies. It took an entire year for that story to evolve. The mama deer showed up with 3 children, little tiny fawns, and one of the fawns disappeared. I started to call the mother Mommy Dearest because she kicked out the baby. The littlest one she got rid of. I was not happy with her. I know better that she can't support the 3rd child. I still grieved. And then, in the spring, after a horrid winter of 40-mile-an-hour winds, the mother shows up, and the 3rd baby shows up too. I hadn't seen that little fawn for 6 months. She was alive. She was not appreciated, she was kicked around, but she was alive. She went back into the woods by herself. But the story doesn't end there. 2.5 months later, it was a different story to be told. The little tiny one, the scruffy little babe, was leading the entire family across my yard. This little one stopped, nuzzled her mother. It was as though she was asking, "Which way shall we go, Mom?" They both pointed in a direction, and then off they went together. That little kid made it through the winter with no bad attitude. She stuck around as close as she could get to that mom and the other 2 beloved bucks, and made it to the next summer with great aplomb. Other stories like that in the book I will not share, and I'm just happy that you can share this moment with me today.